Albert, fish.
Have a good one, sir.
You too. Enjoy your weekend, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. You too. Peace and love, sir.
Yes, yes. Thanks for watching. How you doing? This is Mike from Harris Water Main and Sewer Contractors. Thank you for tuning in to our video. If you can, as always, if you could please like, comment, and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. Today we're here in Queens, we're on 29th Street. We're here working on a lead water main. Our customer received a notice from DEP saying they had 45 days to replace their lead line. DEP had came to this house in efforts to install a new water meter. They found that there was a lead water main. They submitted a 45-day notice to our customer and advised that they need to replace the lead water main in order for them to install the new meter. So here we have an old meter. The lead water main's down below, and our guys are outside. They're working right now. Let's go see what they got going on.
Well, right now we have the property raised up a little bit.
Yeah, which there's a bunch of roots in there. That's not an easy hole to dig.
So that's the challenge, is the roots them.
Okay.
And the tree is right here next to the hole that we put in right there.
Yeah.
So it's the roots.
So,
it's all about the roots.
And we're in a, we're actually on a highway permit here.
Yeah.
So we gotta be off the street by 6 o'clock.
Yep.
So yeah, I remember this. So there's a school right here. DOT gave us restricted working hours. They said if school's closed, we can work 7 to 6. So our customer said, I'll wait.
Yeah.
Let's do it when we have 7 to 6. You should have no problem getting out of here.
Nah, I think we should be finished by 4.
4 o'clock with the backfill?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because by the time I get the top, I'm gonna already on the sidewalk.
Okay.
So when I find the top, I call in for the backfill one time.
You'll be ready to go.
Yeah. So we could be finishing the street, but maybe we're gonna still be doing something in the property.
Juan, what's up, man? How you doing?
Good. Working.
Good? Yeah. Hard work, man.
Good.
We're over the main, right? We're good?
Yeah. It's right here.
Okay.
Maybe in like one and a half hour, we're gonna find the top.
1.5 hours to be down on the top?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You see where the gas is?
That's
the gas
crazy.
is right there. The root could just break it anytime.
Is that an old curb box there?
Yeah, that's the old car box.
Did you go inside yet?
Yeah, I went and did the M scope.
See that that valve, it's a new valve on that lead water main. Someone did it on the fly
Yeah.
years ago.
Yeah, maybe there's a little pressure. Not too much pressure, that's why.
He said the pressure's okay in the house though. I guess we'll find out when he gets a brand new line, right?
Yeah, a little more bigger, so
Yeah.
you know.
Okay. Concrete is thick here. Huh?
Not that thick, but it's strong.
Strong.
Yeah,
To protect, what they protect the street.
Yeah, it just means that it's been paved within 5 years. So we have to bring in a third-party compaction test company to test the density of the soil that we bring in. And DOT monitors the backfill. Okay, so I'm gonna let these guys get back to it. We have a lot of work to get out of here today. Ben, as always, thank you. Appreciate you. We have Juan over here. Juan, thank you. Albert, fish.
Have a good one, sir.
You too. Enjoy your weekend, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. You too. Peace and love, sir.
Yes, yes. Thanks for watching.
Well, right now I'm going to put a core valve right there and hook up this pipe right here, and when they finish over there, we're going to put the rest of the pipe in and hook it up, make sure everything is good, and fill the holes and back up.